Welcome to Playbooks Part 3. Now, if you want to save a message on Playbooks, assuming you want to save all the content of a book, all the messages in a book on Playbooks, so that anytime you want to play any topic in that book, you can just click it, select the message, and play. You can save the whole content of that book on Playbooks so that you don't type and retype again anytime you want to play. So it will save you of the stress of typing and retyping again and again. Anytime you want to play any message on Playbooks, you can just simply save that message there so that you can access it anytime you want to play and play. And also, you can save any message on Playbooks because of your friends, your classmates, your neighbors, your classmates. So if you want your classmates, your classmates to access your messages on Playbooks, you can save your messages on Playbooks so that your friends can access them on Playbooks and play. So if your friends know your email address, they can search for you, locate your messages, and play. So these are the reasons why you need to save your messages on Playbooks. And there are two things you need to know if you want to save your messages on Playbooks. One, you must create an account with Playbooks before you can save any message on Playbooks. To create an account, all you need to do is to click the settings button down here. This settings button here. You click it and different options will be displayed before you. Now the first option that says create new accounts, you click that option, create new accounts. That is the first option here. You click it and to take you to where you can create an account with Playbooks, just the way you create an account with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social media platforms. So you create an account with Playbooks. Now the second thing you need to know or you need to do is this. For you to be able to save your messages on Playbooks, you need to pay a monthly subscription of 1,000 naira. That is about $2.70. About $2.70. So you need to pay this subscription fee every month before you can be able to save any message on Playbooks or access any saved message on Playbooks. So before you can be able to access any saved message on Playbooks, you need to pay this subscription fee of 1,000 naira or about $2.70. So these are the two things you must know before you can start saving your messages on Playbooks. Now, if you want to save your message on Playbooks, what you just need to do is to click the personal message button here. This button, you click it, and the red and black boxes will be displayed for you to type your message as usual. So that message you want to save, you type it in the red and black boxes here. As usual, you start with the first box up here. You start with it. So as we now want to save the definition of a noun on Playbooks so that anytime you want to play it, you can just open it and play instead of typing and retyping. So we want to save the definition of a noun. And we all know that a noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or things. It's not only a noun you can save. You can save any message at all. You can save any message from the field of medicine, law, social sciences, engineering, any message at all you can save on Playbooks. So let's save the definition of a noun now. We all know that a noun is of uh, us, a person, animal, place, or things. So this is the definition of a noun. So we want to save this message on Playbooks now. To do that, all we need to do now is to click the save button here. This button that says save. You click it. And two options will be displayed for you. Create a file name for your message and select a file name for your message. You create a file name for your message if you don't have any existing file name already. But if you have an existing file name for this message already, you can just select it. So in our case now, I want to create a file name for our message. So we'll click create a file name for your message. And an option and a field will be displayed for us to type the file name for our message. This field that says enter the file name. So we'll type our file name here. Assuming we'll choose English language to be our file name. So we'll type it here. English language. Now this is the file name we've chosen for this message. So all we need to do now is to click the post button so that this file name will be saved. So we'll click post and the file name has been saved already. So the next thing is to click the save button again so that this message here will now be saved under the English language file name we just created. So we'll click save. It's saving now. It's saving. Now our message has been saved successfully. Now we want to access the message we just saved. All we need to do is to click the cancel button here, this button, to clear off the red and black boxes. So if we want to access the saved message, we'll click the saved messages button up here. We'll click it and two options will be displayed. My personal messages, my followers messages. This time around we'll check my personal messages. So we'll click the first option, my personal messages, and all the file name we have under my personal messages will be displayed. And our file name is English language. So we'll click our file name English language. And the message we saved under English language will be displayed, which is a noun is the name of the person, animal, place, or things. So if we want to play this very message, all we just need to do is to click it and Playbooks will convert it into a game instantly. You click it and the message will be converted into a game instantly. So if you want to start playing it, you click the play button as usual and the game starts. Like that. Let me pause it. So this is how to save your messages on Playbooks.